1, 2, and not yet.
And welcome back to Outback Polaks. We are today going to Zakopane, not the Polish one though, an Australian one. It's 35 degrees outside, so we're meeting a few Polish friends there. We've got plenty of refreshments and snacks. Lumi's not with us. She decided to abandon us and go to Dreamworld. So we decided to bring the gel blasters because we're at private property and we're allowed to.
Yep, and we didn't know that was an option to go to Dreamworld.
Yeah, I wouldn't have mind going to Dreamworld. Anyway,
right, let's go.
Stay with us. Subscribe, like, and share. See you soon.
Don't care about anybody else but you.
So, I think we've gone the wrong way, or someone sent us the wrong address. We don't know.
Yeah.
I'm wondering whether Google Maps sent us the wrong way.
But the awesome thing is that now that we have no reception, we don't have Google Maps either. So
Yes.
we're not really sure.
We have a lot of alcohol in the car, so if we do get lost, we should be okay.
Yeah. Ivan Milat's still incarcerated, isn't he?
We're safe, we're not backpackers.
Yeah.
Houses here.
No.
Oh, man.
Yeah, but there was houses in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre in the middle of nowhere as well, man.
That's right.
Oh well, we'll check in later. There's a kangaroo, or a wallaby.
Oh.
Cool, pet.
So this is the Aussie version of Zakopane. We made it through the dirt tracks.
Yeah.
Okay, so Google Maps would send us in the right direction. Waze app sent us in the opposite direction. Bit of feedback.
Kangaroo.
Oh, kangaroos. That's cool. Dinner just skipped past. So the fun part of this road is it's really easy to get in. With this car though, it's really easy. It's really hard to come back out.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, okay, right.
Yeah. You see what I mean?
This is a hell of a lot steeper than it looks.
Yeah. All right, we are in Zakopane.
Yep.
We've made it. We're alive. We
Yep.
need to get some drinks.
Yep. So
Ready?
okay.
Let's do this. Look at the view. I'll put the drone up in a minute because that's going to be spectacular when that sun goes behind the mountain.
Hold back all the things I feel. If I hold back, maybe they're not real. What if I don't and just let you deal? Would you go? Let me know. So what if I just lose my mind? Make a scene and run around. Show you what I feel inside all the time. Hey.
So we found a pond, but it's a bit brown. I've got no other way of describing it. It's just not flowing at all. So we won't be going in for a swim.
Is it live streaming?
Yeah.
On YouTube.
We're just about to make a YouTube video.
And what's the name of your blog?
Outback Polaks.
Outback Polaks.
Yeah.
I am Polak.
You are a Polak?
Polka.
Polka. I'm a
He's
Polak.
Polak.
I'm
you're
a Queensland
Australian?
Polak.
I'm Australian.
He's an
I'm the
adopted.
Outback.
He's adopted Polak.
Yes.
Adopted.
Polish.
Yeah, adopted Polak. He's learning Polish. So what are we doing, Masha?
Playing dodgeball.
Dodgeball?
Yes.
So we've had dinner, we've had a chat, now we're gonna play dodgeball. Ah, it's cooled down finally. It was so hot before. Alright, Isa, you ready for dodgeball?
For dodgeball, yes.
You know how to play dodgeball?
Yes. So I am like Michelle Obama.
Michelle?
Do you know this?
You
yes,
look like
because-
Michelle Obama.
Oh yeah.
Maybe the kangaroo.
No.
Ready? Okay. Fast. Hey. Oh. Yellow's already
Hang on.
cheating.
What language is going?
Okay, ready?
You can't go to out.
I don't know what the rules are. All right, round 2. Ready? I have no idea what happened, by the way. So 3. Dodgeball. Oh, Masha got knocked out. I don't think you're supposed to cross the line.
Yeah, you got to shove.
1, 2, 3.
Inside all the time. What if I just lose my mind? Scream until the air runs out. I don't really care, 'cause I lose my mind. Oh, oh, oh.
And
I can't keep hiding in the darkness. My fears need a little sign. I hope you don't think that I'm heartless. I just can't be the one you.
So we're going for a walk. Ben went for a walk and we can't find him. So, jeebus. Watch out for the drop bears and the hoop snakes and the yowies.
Especially Yowie.
Yeah, can't see anything.
I think there's a bit more light when we're doing this in Korea.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, man bear pig. I can see its eyes up ahead, look.
Oh, no, that's too close.
Ah, we've been looking for you.
Like 3 hours already.
We thought the drop bears got you.
Only one, I think.
What were you doing in the bushes? Answer all the questions. And why are there 2 dead cows over there?
One looks really happy though.
Told you he jumped over the fence.
I got once a mouse and she used to live. Yeah. And
Girls, there's a mouse!
and the,
Yeah, that was very believable. So as you heard by that scream, women are not really scared by mice. So if you ever find a female that is scared by mice, she is lying.
Do you feel the sun? Violet skies. Baby, hear the sound. The way we move in the desert. See the moon through the humid air.
And good morning to day 2. It's gonna be a hot one. Oh, I think we're gonna climb the mountain. So have some brekkie and then climb Mount Barney. Everyone's awake. 8 a.m. Kangaroos everywhere.
It's just a little liberty. All you need to get for free. You stick with me, feel the blended heat. It's just a little liberty. Don't we?
So we can't go up Barney because of the fire danger, and a bushfire came through here. They had all the bushfires here. It's not a bushfire danger at the moment, but they're still warning people not to climb here. There's police lines everywhere, and we respect the po-po.
Today.
The fuzz. Muzzy fuzz. Doesn't mean I can't put the drone up. I put the drone up.
Baby, feel the crowd like a massive heart, but it's all All you need you get for free if you stick with me. Feel the blended heat. It's just a little.
Isa is running around chasing kangaroos while they're all around her. She's going the wrong way. That's funny.
Yes, it's amazing.
This is the bushfire life. Everything is burnt and it's starting to grow back. Amazing.
That's Australia.
Yeah. It's the life cycle. So hopefully next year there'll be new trees growing here. At the moment it's very dry. So we're about to go up the hill. I bet you we won't make it. I've driven this way quite a few times and I've always seen this place, so I thought I'll stop and record it. It's a private property, so I gotta get off here as quick as possible. But what the hell? It's a Datsun. Maybe at night she comes alive. Oh well, better run away.